What's up guys, my name is Joe and today we've got Francesco from Italy getting a haircut. Francesco traveled up from London to sit in the coveted David Rozman chair to get a timeless, classic dapper cut. So the idea today is to give Francesco a versatile cut that would allow him to either dress it up or down depending on the occasion. David is trimming roughly an inch off, maybe a little less, to still have enough length to have that swoop back effect. However, if no hair was trimmed, Francesco's hair would have flopped over to the side and retained less volume. So it's all about finding that balance. The top took barely any time. David's actually being speedy for once. But after getting down to the correct length for the top, we're going in with some original, then blow drying the hair in place before moving on to the sides and back. David is focusing on that classic up and back motion with the hairbrush to make sure that some volume gets built in and the hair swoops back. And onto the back and sides. As I mentioned, we're going for a versatile look, so David is focusing on cleaning up the sides and back to give a sharper look. We're not doing anything drastic, simply cleaning up to allow for a variety of hairstyle choices. As always, David is being very meticulous, making sure it's turning out just right. Of course, for those of you who would like to book in with David, I've got a 15% discount link to save you some money on your cut. David's also got some BluMaan product in stock, so if you are in the UK and you want to save on shipping, I've got that linked for you as well. But for everyone else, BluMaan.com is the place to be. Firing up the electric razor for those finishing touches, just getting the look to be as sharp as possible. Now, you've seen me use Monarch matte paste on my hair before, but now it's time to show it on a different hair type. Francesco's hair is definitely thinner than my own, so for those who want to see how it works on a different hair type, this is your chance. We're going to be showing you guys two hairstyles. The first is the more classic dapper look, something that's appropriate for any environment and any time of day. It's simple, it can be done when hanging out with friends or rocked in a more professional environment as well. Of course, I gotta give a little bit of input in there as well. And here it is, the simple, classic dapper look. For the second look, Francesco is simply ruffling up the look for a more modern, more messy finish. Thank you guys for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new. And for now, I'll see you next time.